quick tip for you. A quick tip. Today we are going to learn the pa on the ukulele. So you take your thumb, you take your 2, and you take your 3, and you play your thumb, your 2, your 3 together. Okay? And then we take our first finger and we play that on its own. So your thumb, your 2, and your 3 play. And then your 1 plays on its own. And you keep that pumping. Keep it pumping. Keep it rolling. Keep it coming, baby. It sounds so good. Yeah. That is the pa babies. That is the pa. And you can use it on whatever chord you want. Beautiful. That is the pa.